watch.
Flash flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, and Somerset. Until 10 p.m. this evening, showers and thunderstorms moving to the northeast and training over the same locations will bring the potential for up to 2 inches of rain in less than an hour. Some places within the watch received 2 to 3 inches of rain over the past few days. Soil moisture is very high and only capable of holding 1 to 2 inches of rain falling within a 60 to 90 minute period without flooding developing. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood. The 8 to 14